everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Smart Art Day. Smart Art is a monthly art subscription box where they send you all the supplies you need to make make some kind of creation, oftentimes many of them. So this is the November box, and let's see what's inside. It's an extremely heavy box this month. First up is their beautiful artwork. Put those up there so we can open it up. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so we have the flyer that tells you all about the supplies that they've picked this month, and there's also projects in here, so we'll take a look at that last. It's very pretty. Then we have some, these are pottery tools. So it looks like we're going to be working with clay. There's lots of pottery tools. Okay, so next up are these little scrapers, mini ribbon tools. And then we have some paintbrushes. These are Royal and Langnickel camels, but they look a little frayed, so we'll see about those. It says watercolor, acrylic, oil, and tempera. There's 4 sizes in here: 5/8 or 16 millimeter flat, a number 2 and a number 6 shader, and a 2-0 detailer, which is the round one. So the shaders are flat. Next we have a wipe away tool set. So it looks like this is very similar to those other ones except they're rubber. So that'll be fun. Then we have some Twizzlers. a beautiful sticker. Some tiles, wood tiles. Let's see if I can. Sculpey air dry clay. This is a full 2.2 pounds. This is the heavy part. And we have acrylic paint. This is Royal and Langnickel acrylic paint, 12 tubes. It's normal acrylic paint. I can swatch it for you, but there's not too much. It's just pink. I can't get it to open. Another episode of Can Jen Open a Thing? And the answer is no. Okay, so there is that. Let me grab a piece of paper. Couldn't find a piece of paper, so I have my journal for this month, and we can just swatch it right in here and then cover it back up. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of paint on here for you, show you what we got. They are all sealed, which is very nice. You have to poke it open. Try not to make a mess like I do. There's the whites, which you cannot even see. There you go. See, that's white. And yeah, Royal Langnickel Essentials, which is really nice of them to put paint in here, so that you can finish, because like I said, they try to do to where you can complete a full project. There are color names on them. Sorry, I haven't been saying them. This is cadmium orange. This one is cadmium yellow. This one is primary yellow, and this one they call titanium whites. Then we have cadmium red. Oops. Magenta, primary magenta. violets. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet. Which looks black on here. Let's smear it. There you go. That's the prettiness. Although messiness as well, I see. And then we have bright yellow green. Cadmium green. Of course we have to have a cadmium green. There we go. Wait for it. Okay, not too bad. Cadmium green. Viridian. What has happened with these? Primary cyan. That one worked. Although I'm still making a mess. And last but not least, black. Mars black. Oh, that one opened really easy. I don't know why some of them didn't. So there you have it. That's the swatch for all the colors. Now let's take a look. It's very nice of them to include the paints. Let's take a look at that pamphlet. So, what are we doing today? Okay, so something got replaced, which is why that card fell out, because it was after they printed all these. Not a problem. So we're going to do bas relief sculpting. Bas relief sculpting. Low relief. It is a sculpting technique in which figures and or design elements are carved from the surrounding background, making them more prominent than the overall flat background. Okay. This technique goes as far back as humankind's artistic explorations. Some of the earliest examples are on the walls of caves. Perhaps 30,000 years ago, relief sculptures can be found in ancient Greek and Roman sculptures. A famous example is the Parthenon frieze, featuring relief sculptures of Poseidon, Apollo, and Artemis. All the tools. So we've got the Sculpey clay, which retails for $8.99. The Variety 7-piece sculpt set, which has been replaced with a mini ribbon 6-piece tool set, retails for $12.95. The 6-inch wooden sculpting tools retails for $9.99. The 4 wood panels retail for $10.40. So there's 4 there. The wipe away tool set is $6.18. The brushes retail for $3.99. The Twizzlers priceless, and the paints retail for $8.49. So then they tell us exactly how to do it. They say press the clay into the wood panel using your fingertips, and then you sculpt. So that's pretty cool. The project, it looks like we're going to have our quick start project, I guess, to be a pretty leaf. So I will probably do that one just as a demonstration for you in video. And then this is super cute too. So I may have to do this little cute box, and then I'll do something of my own. I'll definitely get something to share with you. And then there is weekly prompts. Fall leaves, rain boots, a fox, and a scarecrow. If you do all of the weekly prompts, you get 500 peacock points, which can be used to buy stuff in their store. Discounts, I think it's like $5 off, things like that, which definitely help. Since I've been subscribed from the very first box, it's been a long time. This company's been open for quite a while, I'd say 5-6 years, if not longer. And it's very cool. I actually really want to do this design just because it looks like wood and looks really fun. So there you have it. Let me know what you think of this box in the comment box below. And let's create.